Hi, so I don't know this is what day of packing, but yeah, it's happening. This room is getting packed. The hall's almost packed. We are going. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati. I'm a travel vlogger. Today's video, probably you've already guessed it from the title, it's about army postings. Now, if you're a regular on this channel, then you would probably know that Amod, here, Amod, he's in the army, and postings are an inevitable part of army life. We basically relocate and move our entire base every 2 3 years. We moved to Bangalore early in 2019, and now it's time to pack up and get out of Bangalore and move to a new place. I will let you know where we are going to later in the video, but for now I just want to document it for you guys. A lot of people ask us like how we do it, how do we move our entire base in every 2 3 years. So hopefully this video helps you to understand how what it is like to move, and yeah, like how it works in the army. I'm not documenting this just for you, I'm also doing this for me because this house is very special. This is actually our first house that we moved into as a married couple, so it's very special. Now let me give you a tour of our house. Okay, so that's that. It's a wreck, I know. It's really messy, and it's been like this now since the past 10 days because we've been packing for 10 days, and yeah, it's been quite messy. Now, a lot of people ask us like how we are okay with the idea of moving around every 2 3 years. Now, I'm definitely not speaking for everyone in the army, but for me personally, I've been moving around my entire life. Like, my dad's also in the army, and with my parents, since I can remember, I've been moving around. So for me, this is quite normal. It is natural to get out of a place every 2 3 years. In fact, like if I have to think about it, staying at one place forever is not something that I see myself doing. I don't think I'm very comfortable with that. But having said that, the whole process of uprooting your house, like seeing everything being packed, that whole process is quite overwhelming. Like this is the first time that my house is being packed. Like I've seen it happening with my parents, but that time I was too young to really understand. But I feel like this is like my house, mine and Amod's house. So it is a bit overwhelming. I mean, I've never seen my parents cribbing, I've never seen them complaining. So hopefully they've done this for 35 years. So hopefully eventually we will get there. But for now, a bit overwhelming. Now also Bangalore is home station for us. Amod's from Bangalore, so we have family here, we have friends here, and in fact for me work, the process is very simple. I feel like in Bangalore, I have things figured out, so that way, a bit kind of like I don't know. It's very comfortable in Bangalore, and now that we're moving, I feel a sense a bit kind of like a vacuum or a bit overwhelmed. I don't know what exactly to say. A little sad about it. I feel like I've used the word overwhelmed so many times that now I'm getting overwhelmed about being overwhelmed. Now let's talk about how exactly we are doing it, the actual process. Now definitely we are no experts on this topic. In fact, this is the first time we are doing it. But for now, what we have done is we've already sent our car off, so it's actually going to Pune. Pune is not our final destination. I'll get to that a little later. But yeah, our car's already gone, and for all our things in the house, we booked a truck, and we're going to put it in the truck and send it off. And for packing all our things, we have categorized into two categories, personal and general. So personal is basically all our clothes, our knickknacks, our kitchen. And general is basically like all the furniture, big things, the furniture, electronics and all that kind of things. So for our personal things, we have trunks, the metal trunks, which is I think a very fudgy thing. Everyone has it, everyone gets it made, and yeah, it's quite handy, durable. We don't have a lot of that. We have like I think 4 5 trunks, and that's it. And other than that, we have suitcases, and we've also got these cartons from Amazon, which is quite nice actually. We got a lot of cartons. With that, they gave us some bubble wrap, some tapes, and everything. If you're interested, I will leave I'll link to that in the description box. So we're going to pack all our things in that. We've been doing it now for the past 10 days. So kind of done with that. Now for other things from the general category, the big things, the furniture, the electronics and everything, we've booked movers and packers. So they're going to come and they're going to pack everything. In fact, they are doing it outside. So let me actually take you and show it. They're quite fast and it is pretty impressive.
मैम आपका सामान बिल्कुल सेफ पहुंचेगा। बिल्कुल देखो आपके सामने अच्छी पैकिंग करके बढ़िया लोड कर दिया है और अच्छा गाड़ी में कम ऑनर है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। जैसा सामान है वैसा नासिक आपका सामान बढ़िया पहुंचेगा। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
ऑल इंडिया कहीं भी भेजो आप, हम हर जगह जाने के लिए तैयार हैं।
It's done. We're off now.
It's happening. Now I feel that heaviness. The house is empty and all our things are gone. We are also going, like, we are leaving in 2 days. We're leaving day after tomorrow. We still have some time. So we are taking a flight to Pune and from there we're going to drive to Nasik. So Nasik is our final destination. It's a really nice place. It's the wine capital of India. I've lived in Nasik and have so many good memories from Nasik. So in early 2000s, my dad was posted in Nasik. So I've done a bit of my schooling. I was a kid there, so now I'm really excited to go and see Nasik as an adult with a fresh perspective. So looking forward to that. But for now, really going to miss Bangalore, going to miss this place. We had such a good time here. And yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. This is definitely a very unique, very different video on my channel. Let me know if you would like to see more such videos, more content related to army life. I would love to make those videos for you guys. And yeah, if you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I'll see you very soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.